Laya, everyone says dragons are brave, but my fire won't even glow.
Maybe you're trying too hard. Magic doesn't come from force, it comes from feeling. Feeling like what? Like joy, like courage, like believing in yourself.
Okay, I'll try.
See? You already had it inside you.
Then I'm ready, Chine.